So then today first I'm going to show you in this live stream how to download and install the Scratch offline editor. So please note that this is a step for the microbit, linking the microbit with the Scratch. So this is a step for this. So the part 3 live stream will be going tomorrow, that means Sunday, and I have put a community post in YouTube in my channel. Now my live stream is enabled in YouTube. So it was for 2 months, but it is now 1 month. So for 1 month my live streaming has been enabled. So now live streams are enabled now every Sunday, Saturday and Sunday. The live stream is at 3:45 p.m. Sri Lankan time. So then let's so first open your favorite browser like Brave, Chrome, Edge, like those. Open your favorite browser. I'm using the Brave browser and search for Scratch offline editor download. Okay, and search for it, and you should click on the first result. Scratch offline editor. Click on the first result and choose your OS, like your operating system. Choose if you are choose Windows if you are using Windows, or choose Mac OS if you are using Mac. It will automatically get selected according to your operating system. So I'm using Mac. It has automatically get selected as Mac OS. You can also search the Mac App Store and download. So I'm not going to do all those things. I'll click on direct download. And select the location you want to save it. I'm going to save it on desktop. If you wish, you can download in downloads. I'm going to save it on desktops to show you guys, and save it. So now you should wait until it get downloads. According to your network speed, it will get download as quickly as possible. See, okay, it's getting downloaded. It's downloaded. So I'll open this file. After it get opened, it will get verified. If you are in a Mac, it will get verified for some minutes. Okay, if you want, you can skip also. If you skip it, you get some viruses or something. So let it get verified first before opening it. So finishing. Okay. Okay, it's verified now. So I'll close this window, and now you can open it again. So then you can upload it to the applications. So okay, it's opened.
Now if you are in a Mac, you should drag this icon to this application folder, and it get copied to the application folder, preparing to copy to applications, as I said. Also, please download the latest version. Okay, as you can see, you got a scratch icon in my desktop. Now that icon will be appeared in the applications, so it's getting copied. Please don't skip this, otherwise you cannot open this application. As I said I download this to the desktop to show you guys. It's easy when you download desktop. So as your wish, you can download to any location, any hard drive, any disk. So as you can download it to downloads or somewhere. Now it's going to take about 5 minutes or 2 minutes. According to your network speed, it will get downloaded. Okay, less than a minute. Now it's getting downloaded, installed. After you download the file, after it get copied to applications folder, now it's getting installed. Okay, now about 5 seconds left until it get downloaded, installed. Okay, 58, 16. Okay, now it's copied to the applications folder. I think it must have installed it. Yup. Yeah, as I told you, it has get downloaded, installed, downloaded and installed. So now you can open this app. So you see, if you copy it to the application folder, you will get this icon here. So please copy that to the application folder if you are in a Mac. If you are in a Windows, it's easy. As I did, you can select your OS and install the application and open that file you downloaded. Then you can accept some verifications of that. When you verified that, it will get installed to your desktop. Desktop. If you download it to downloads, same will happen. The application will get installed to the desktop. So now it's getting verified again in Mac. After you install and download also, it will get verified again and again. So it will take some time when you open first time. When you open the Scratch offline software first time in a Mac, it will get some time. So it's getting verified again. Verifying. Okay, so now it's downloaded. You can see it's verified. Now it's ready to open. Apple has verified it. Now you can click on open, and now the application will get opened. The application is opened now. Now you should wait until it get opened. Yeah, as I said, now the Scratch is loading. Yeah, it's loading now. Yeah, now you can see this as a usual Scratch website. You can see this as the website, same as the website. The only feature is this is offline. You can use this offline. You don't want to open the Scratch online software. You can use these all things only offline. Only this project which is available. These tutorials, all those things are available. Those studios to see your how to see so all the things to see your things like your files, or you can't see those things. You can just create a simple project. I'll just create a simple project. Yeah, now let's see. Yeah, he'll move now. It's just simple project, so you can save this. No, you cannot save this. Yeah, that's a problem. That's another problem. You cannot save this. You can save it to your computer, but you can't save it to your Scratch software like the online one. In the online Scratch, you can save your project, and the projects you saved you can get from the online software. This is not like that. You can save this project to your you can save this to the computer like this. Go to file and save to your, click on save to your computer and save it. Then you can upload it to your Scratch online website account like this. Click on save, open the project and click on file and click on load from computer and search for that file. So then you can load this project to your online account, Scratch account. So and thank you for watching this. That's it. So if you have any questions, you can put it in the comment section. Okay, hope you all guys enjoyed this video.